Attention, severe weather ahead. Please stay tuned for our special announcement.
Hello, I'm Aiden. Thank you for tuning in for today's episode of Warning Severe Weather Ahead. Today I have invited a panel of experts to join me to discuss floods. Did you know volcanoes can cause floods? Our first guest is Mikey, a meteorologist. Mikey, what characteristics define a flood?
A flood means too much rain. When there is a flood, the water from a river rises up into the forest.
Our next guest is Claire, who's an environmental scientist. Claire, what is the effect of this type of storm on people and their activities?
Floods cause many deaths because people drown in the water that rises quickly.
Our final guest is Sadie, a representative from FEMA. What can people do to prepare for a flood?
A radio can help you when it floods. You also need a flashlight. Keep a first aid kit. Listen for warnings from the meteorologist.
Is there a system for warning people about the severe weather?
Meteorologists get important information from a satellite system.
Thank you to our panel for being here today. We are all better informed and prepared to face a flood. Now, tune in again tomorrow for the next episode of Warning Severe Weather Ahead.
You guys can listen to your whole weather.